What's up guys, Brayden here, back on another video. So today I'm actually at Myrtle Beach, and I'm going to be doing a bike review. So, I'm out on a lake. Here's my bike. It is the Hyper Shocker 26. It's a full suspension bike. Let's go over a little bit. I'm going to tell you the plus and the bad sides about this bike. I've been riding it for about a month. So yes, I have added a couple stuff on here. I do have this little light. I do have a brake light, and I have a little bag. It has, I think it's Shimano brakes. Has Shimano brakes. I don't know what kind of gearing. It is a 6-speed. So it has HPR suspension. And here's the thing with this bike. These pedals are not fun to ride with. Yes, it is a little bit dirty. I have gotten it in some really dirty things. This shock, you can adjust it all you want. It's minimal difference. It's not, the only difference is, Dex. The only difference it is it's probably just gonna make it easier to tear up. This, ready? Here's how much play it has. Ready? Sit. It is extremely hard to move. It only has about 18 to 12 millimeters of play. Millimeters. That's not much. My friend's bike. His name is let's just say Bill. Bill has a really expensive bike. It's a Pivot Mark 5.5. It has like 11 speed. It is his shock. I think it's like a 200 millimeter, 210, something like that. So it's very far. And it's a very odd thing. It's got 3 of them. So this is brake. This one goes to shifting. I don't know what you would call this. I just call it like a multiplier just because I think it multiplies those gears down there. And this one does the back gears. So, 5th gear jumps around. And this one, it is a crank style. So it's kind of hard to do. But when this, I always keep it like 1 before low, because when this is in low, it makes a very odd sound. I will be making another video, part 2 of this review, and this will be the riding factor of it. So, thank you for watching. This is Brayden out.